So what's up traders? Good evening, this is BFX, and today I bring to you an interesting topic about the forex market. And this topic is a very crucial part of forex trading. And this topic is one of the things that makes me feel like forex is a risk-free business, even though it involves a high risk. And the topic is stop loss. Stop loss. What am I talking about stop loss today? I'm talking about stop loss because I want to let some people know how to position a stop loss in the right position, because I discovered lately that many people get it wrong. They don't even know where to put their stop loss. They put their stop loss in the wrong position. So that's why I'm making this video today, to teach and educate some who really need this video, because I believe there's someone out there, you watching right now, actually need this video. So stop loss. What is a stop loss order? A stop loss order is an order you set below your buying price or above your selling price, that you don't want price to get above this. Please, if price gets this particular price, please, I don't want to lose more than this amount. Another example is, for instance, if you fund your $100 and in that $100 your risk appetite is $10, you only want to risk $10 out of that $100. There's a way you are going to calculate your stop loss that you're not going to lose more than the $10. For instance, if you are buying, you're expecting the market to do what, to shoot up, right? That means your stop loss is going to be below, right? That's your stop loss. The order that is below your buying price is your stop loss. It is stopping a portion of your capital. That portion is your risk appetite, and that's why we call stop loss. That means you don't want to lose more than this. Stop loss. That's just the definition of stop loss. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching on how to position your stop loss in the right position. So grab your coffee, stay tuned, and let's get to the whiteboard. This is BFX. So for instance, if you wake up one morning and maybe the trend, the trend is your friend, right? And the market is shooting up, and it is your desire to go for a buy. That no matter what happens today, I only want to take a buy if I see an opportunity to go for a buy. So let's take for instance, the market is creating a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So when this price pull back here, and it gives you a bullish confirmation of this continuation of trend. Are we getting it? That means that you want to take your buy here, right? As for me, I will suggest that your stop loss should be below this bullish candle or below this recent low. Do you get it? Your stop loss will be here. That is L sell. That means you're expecting the market to do what? To shoot up, to continue the trend. It's either your stop loss is there or here, but it is more safer that your stop loss is below this recent low after a bullish confirmation of a candlestick here that you want to take a buy upward, because here also is a previous resistance. This place is a previous resistance. That is why this market will do what? That is why this market may shoot up. May shoot up. It is under probability, but you are having a higher probability than the other. That is why you are taking a buy. Can you see that price came here to this previous resistance here and did what? And shoot up. If you go on your chart, okay, look at this chart. Can you see that? That is an example of a uptrend. So it is more safer to put your stop loss below here, below this previous low here, while you're taking your buy here, because the market might try to do what? Might try to retrace downward, or maybe it's probably try to manipulate trade. So if your stop loss is here, your trade is much at a safer space. Okay, and also maybe for instance, the market is ranging, the market is ranging, and according to your own strategy, you saw a confirmation to go for a buy or a sell. Let's take for instance that the market is here and you are trying to take a sell after you have seen a bearish confirmation here to take a sell, a bearish candlestick to take a sell. What do you think your stop loss is? Your stop loss will be above here. Your stop loss will be above here. You're taking a sell, right? And that means you're expecting the market to do what? To shoot down. You're expecting the market to do what? To shoot down. That's why you're taking a sell here. Then your SL will be at the top. Because if you are selling, you are not expecting the market to shoot up, right? you're expecting them to do what? To pull down. That's what you are expecting, right? And at the other case too, if you are buying, if you're going to buy, let's say the market is like this, and you're going to buy, let's say you saw a bullish candlestick confirmation here to take a buy upward. That means that your stop loss will be what? Your stop loss will be below. Some might make their stop loss to be below that bullish candlestick, but it is more riskier than your stop loss. The tighter your stop loss, the riskier your trade. Yes, the tighter your stop loss, the riskier your trade, because market fluctuates a lot, especially if you're trading on a lower time frame. Markets fluctuate a lot. The market can come and take your stop loss and do what? And keep going in your direction. So it is much safer to give space to your stop loss. That's why your stop loss has to be below at least 20 to 25 pips or 15 pips at minimum, depending on where you're taking your entry. But to me, this is the way I put my stop loss. My own stop loss is logical and it comes mathematically. For instance, if a price is moving upward, moving up, keeping a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. For instance, if I'm going to take a buy here after a bullish confirmation, what am I going to do? I'm going to draw a Fibonacci from the swing low to the swing high. Let's say here is 0.5 and 0.618. For most of us who know Fibonacci, this will be good for you. But if you don't know Fibonacci, comment in the comment section. I'm going to make a video of how to make use of Fibonacci because it's a powerful tool. So, and the next one is 0.786, I believe. So I have to put my stop loss. If I'm going to take a buy here, I'll put my stop loss at the 0.786. That means it will be below 0.618. That means that even though the market is going to pull down, at least it shouldn't pull down below 0.618 and start doing what? And start shooting up. That's just the way I position my own stop loss. I don't just position my stop loss anyhow or any places. So in conclusion, if you're going to take a trade, make sure you give your stop loss to your entry price space to breathe, because the market fluctuates a lot. Give it space. I know there are more risk to reward if your stop loss is tight, right? But it is more safer to be able to take a trade and you'll be able to sleep well at night, not thinking that the market has come closer to your stop loss and taking it and went to your direction. Because if you have a more spacious stop loss, that means you'll be more at peace. As for me, I'm more at peace when I have a much spacer stop loss, no more than 20 pips to 25 pips. Max is 25 pips, minimum is 15 pips. So that's just it. So I hope you guys were able to get nugget from this video, this BFX. So if there's any topic concerning the forex market you don't really understand and you want me to break it down, I'm going to do well to break it down. Just do well to comment on this video, like, subscribe this video, and share and turn on the notification button for you to get notified. Yes, I want you to be the first person to get notified whenever I post my next video. Stay tuned and stay well. Have a wonderful evening. BFX is saying bye until I see you again. Yeah.